Good Thursday morning, everybody. Jim Cramer is here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange to talk about the markets. And Jim, stocks are down. You got a lot out of Larry Kudlow yesterday in your interview.
I mean, Larry, this news cycle is so fast. I mean, Larry made you feel pretty good about Europe, and now the president's tweeting about Google, not so good about Europe. So, in terms of a European trade deal, but yeah, Larry put out the word that President Xi has done absolutely nothing, completely intransigent. Chinese media then came out and said that Larry's wrong, but I am pretty sure that Larry's right. It is going to be very hard to be in a trade war with someone who's president for life. You tend to think that we have to blink. I had felt that perhaps that maybe the Chinese would grant a NXP as a signal. NXP's going down. That's been ZTE. Remember, we did positive there. We let them in. I'm looking for little signals everywhere that something's going well with China. And Larry basically just said, forget it, Jim. Nothing. So that was a very important part of the interview.
So with Larry's comments, though, you're right in real money that if we do have this tit for tat with China, it's going to make it tougher to pick stocks.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter whether it's Union Pacific, where they talk about tariffs and ag, or whether it be, as I mentioned, the piece five below. I mean, a lot of that stuff's made in China. How long can we just say, you know what, we don't have to worry about it. We don't have to worry about it. I think that it's going to become a standard and a staple on conference calls. What do you have with China? What do you have with Europe? Because if you don't know it, then you get blindsided. That's a very different world from where we were just 6 months ago. With the idea that we got to ask, Alcoa's call was, people were shocked to hear $12 to $14 million a month cost tacked on because of Canada and tariffs on aluminum, as opposed to thinking, well, maybe this was a really just all 100% positive for Alcoa. It'll take many years to have an aluminum industry built around these tariffs, and I don't know if we have that many years. So the trade picture has muddied the way we pick stocks, and you just have to be aware of it. I'm not saying you have to sell. I'm just saying you have to be aware.
Well, Jim, I think that interview with Larry was a turning point in this trade debate, so I urge people to watch it.
Thank you. It was harsh. I didn't expect it. I didn't see it coming. Larry's my old friend. He spoke very candidly, and I think that the message was received by the Chinese.
Yes, they're certainly watching. Yeah. Meanwhile, Jim, speaking of trade, Nucor is real money stock of the day. We'll talk more about that in our Action Alerts video.
Yeah, got to listen to the call. To me, Nucor bid up ahead, betting on a revenue blowout. Didn't get a revenue blowout, and so therefore I think the stock is down. Let's hear what they have to say, and I've got John Ferriol on tonight, which will be important. I also have Domino's, by the way, on tonight. And those are two very high-profile stocks, and we want to find out. I
saw you exchanging tweets with the CEO of McDonald's while we're talking about food.
Yeah, did he say it? Did he come back?
I think he wrote back to you about an hour ago. Refresh.
Oh, that was my stepdaughter. They sent me a jean jacket. My wife was appalled. And my stepdaughter grabbed it and said, "This is the greatest thing ever. Take a picture," you know. And it was just funny. Okay, it's good.
Yeah. He liked the picture.
I didn't know that. That's very funny.
Also, Jim, you had the SVP of IBM on last night, Martin Schroeder.
Yeah, Martin.
What do you make?
You know, I think they're winning. It's just it takes a little longer. Right? Let's put it this way: when the company delivers on everything it says, it deserves to trade higher. And they've got the revenue growth. They got the strategic imperatives being about half the company. It's the other half of the company's actually doing okay. The mainframe business made me feel a little better, by the way, about Broadcom buying CA, because CA does a lot of maintenance for the mainframe. By the way, you notice Broadcom sneaking back up. I think that's right. Change of big shareholders. There's a lot of implications. But the main thing about IBM is that Martin Schroeder told a story of revenue growth and strategic imperatives that was better than what people were looking for. And so the stock has to trade higher. It's got real solid cash flow. It's got a good dividend. I know that I was going back and forth with my writing partner, Matt Horween. It's also got a good chart for what it's worth.
And you squeezed in a blockchain question. They're building blockchain for banks.
They're winning in tons of blockchain business, and I think blockchain is a very significant part. I wonder whether CA is also participating in blockchain. IBM can own blockchain. They've got a very good business, and they've got a lot of good things. They've got a good cloud business. Cloud business is growing very fast. Look, the big issue with IBM is that people want they want Microsoft, they want Azure, they want Google Cloud, and of course they want Amazon Web Services. I would posit that Google Cloud has fallen behind IBM, and that's just something to aware of. We have a big position in Alphabet for Action Alerts, but you got to call me to see them.
Okay, Jim, we'll leave it there for now.
Thank you.
Everyone, please join us in our ActionAlertsPlus.com video for more of Jim's takes.
Lots to say.